welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about the lists with some functions. In the last video, I already said about the list. Introduction to the list I have already given. If you haven't watched that video, please have a watch and then come to this video. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to understand. So, let's start. First, I create a list. I'm creating a list. Subjects equals to brace. You all know how to write a list. Java. Suppose I'm giving first subject as Java, second subject as C, third subject as C++, and fourth subject as Python. Okay. Okay, done. Now, okay, done. Now let's check what's the length. I will check the length. Print len. Len stand for length. Remember this. Subjects. Okay. Print subjects. Now let me show you what's the output. See, the output is 4. I've taken Java, C, C++ and Python 1, 2, 3, 4. So the output is 4. The length is 4. Now I will show you append function. Append means you can add. After Python, I want to add a subject. Suppose I want to add here OS. I can add there with the function using append. Subject dot append. Append. Now I'm writing here. Suppose I'm writing a Ruby. Okay. Then I should print subjects. Now let's show you what's the output. See, Ruby is added. So you have understood the append function. It is adding a subject. After Python, it is adding Ruby. Okay. Now let me show you another function. Now I will show you insert. Suppose I want to insert Ruby after Java. No, suppose you would say after Python and before C++. Okay. So I can do is the insert. I have to give the number here. Suppose I want to enter in the 2th index. Okay. 2th index I want to enter Ruby. Now let's see. See, after C, Ruby has been added. Between C and C++, Ruby has been added because I have given the index as 2. Okay. You are understanding the point? You have understand how to insert. Now I will show you how to remove. Suppose you want to remove C. Suppose you want to remove C. Okay, that will also be done by using remove. Suppose I want to remove C. See, C has been removed. Java, C++ and Python. Okay. You also know how to remove. Now I will show you sorting. So how to sort. See, it's been sorted. C, C++, Java and Python. According to our vowels A to Z, C comes first, then Java, then J, then P. Okay, that's it. Now you can do is that you can also reverse. Now I will show you how to reverse. you can do this with the numbers also. You can reverse the numbers. I will show you an example. Wait. See, Python is coming first. Python, vice versa. Opposite. Reverse you all know. So this is a reverse function. Now you want to use pop. Pop means the last element which is there will be deleted. Python is there, Python will be deleted. Pop means that. Pop means, oh, I made a mistake, sorry. Pop means last element will be deleted. See, Python is deleted. If you use another pop, then C++ will be deleted. Another pop, C will be deleted. Like that, you can delete everything. Now suppose I want to clear everything. There should not be any subjects. So what can I do? I just use clear. See, it's clear. Only the list is there. The list which I used in a bracket, the bracket is only there. Everything has been cleared by using the function list. Clear. By using the function clear, we have cleared everything. Now I want to know the position. Suppose I want to know the position. I'm taking a variable pos. I want to know this index. Suppose I want to know 2. Index 2. Okay. Now I have to change this also. Index 2. Suppose, no, I made a mistake. I did a number. C. Index of C. I want to know index of C. Index of C. I will also show you with the numbers. Index of C. See, the index of C is in 1. It starts from 0. So, see, index is 1. C index is 1. Now, let's change this and make this a number so that it will be easy for you to understand. Suppose 2, 4, 2, 5, 7, 6, again 2, again 2, again 1, again 5, then 7. Okay. Now you want to know the index of 2. See, many 2's are repeated. You want to know the index of 2. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Integer, I am going with double quotes. Index of 2. 0. Because, see, it will always show the first 2 is, it will always show the first 2. Then I have also used 2. That will be not there. It will always indicate the first 2. If the first 2 is in the first position, then see, let me use here 5. Let me show you another example. See, 1, because 5 is in the first index. Okay. Again I have used 5, but it will not take that. First value. Type of FIFO, first come first out. Okay, now I will show another function, that is count. Suppose I want to count. Suppose I want to count 2. And to count 2. To count 2. Okay, now let's show you 3. 2 is 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 2 is 3 times, so it's 3 in the output section. So I have showed you many functions in lists. Just write it down in your copy. If you have some problem, then implement. It will be very easy for you. These functions are very easy. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will help you. Stay safe, stay healthy.